Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today is a beautiful hot day where you can mow your lawn, work in the garden, or even start the grill. But today I'm stuck doing this. Got a flat tire. Sucks. So if you never plugged the tire before, I'll teach you today. Okay, let's get our wheel wedge. Make sure this car don't roll. Put your parking brake on as well. Okay, flat tires off the vehicle. I filled it up with air and I found the issue right here. Now, before removing the screw, you might want to wear some glasses or safety glasses. It's like pulling out a wisdom tooth. Get it in there. Okay, as for the glue, I'm gonna put some latex gloves. I don't need to get that on my hands. Open your glue. Get one of your plugs out. Now you got to get your plug in here. You can see that. Now you want to fill it up with glue. Now you want to pull this out and then quickly insert this in its place. Now, that's why I say put safety glasses, because sometimes the glue will jump up at your face. Okay, now let's get something to cut that with. But first, running out of energy here. Oh yeah. So you want to get some type of cutters here. Got my Huskies. Leave a little bit there. Okay, let's cut the rest off. Want to try to cut it flush with the tire. Now you might not get it completely flush with the tire, but that's okay. That's good enough. Now let's get some soapy water, shake it up, and if we see bubbles, that means we need to do this again. Looks good. We fixed our flat. So now that the tire's off, this is the best time to inspect your tire. Make sure there's no other nails. If you want, you can spray the entire tire as well with the soapy water. Now, if you don't own a pressure gauge, you really should get one, and always leave it in the glove box where you know it's always going to be there, just in case you have to stop at a gas station and get some air for your tires. You want to make sure you have the right amount of pressure. Let's remove our wheel wedges here. Now, take note, if you're not able to get this into your tire and it's too tough for you, you might have to make the hole a little bit bigger. Just get a drill bit on a drill gun and send it on in. Then see if your tool fits inside the tire. Ream it real good. Now, I hope this video helps someone out there. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.